During a major upgrade like Windows 11 version 25H2, the error 0x80004005 appears when the setup engine encounters a problem but cannot categorize it under a more specific error code. Here are the solutions for this error.